everyone, how you doing? It's your girl Twin D, and thank you so much for stopping by the channel, guys. Today we'll be looking at our garage, and I'll be showing you how I take step by step and paint this garage, which was so much of a hassle. So right now you're just looking at the front. I started with the trims, so I'm painting that blue. You can see how ruggedy this garage looks, but I started and it was completed, and now I'm showing you. And right now, guys, okay, so this is the door to the garage. You can see how old and rusty this door was, but I got it done. There you go, I got it done, and it looks so good right now. And I also got the triangular outline painted white as well. And there you are, guys, the completion of the front of this garage. Now let's go to the sides. All right, guys, so this I already started, but I stopped to show you what I was dealing with, because as you can see, look at this wood, look how old this is. But what I like is the wood, it is so still strong. It is still strong. It's old, but it is holding up. This is what these 80-year-old homes, you know, the wood that they use, like real wood. So this is what we are gonna be painting today, and trust me, it was a hassle, but again, I got it done. All right, I got it done. So guys, listen, this garage is not taking the paint well. It's not. This is the trying to give it a second coat. The first coat I did, it didn't look like this. It did not look like that. The wood sucked up all the paint, and down that side, oh my gosh. So this is day 3, but second coat I didn't come out here day 2 because we had rain. Maybe that's why it's looking like that. But I'm starting again this morning, trying to give it another coat. So let's see how it will turn out. And if it does not turn out well, because the wood, I don't know, it may be so old or so dry that as I put the paint on it, it just sucks in. So I can't get much to roll or to brush. But we'll see how it goes. If it looks patchy when I'm done, don't blame me, okay? And I'm tired, so I'll just leave it and I'll go to the other side. All right, guys. So that's how it's looking. And I'm gonna try and finish this side now. So I'm starting the second coat here. All right, guys, so this is day 3. Didn't do anything day 2 because it rained. This is for this side again, well, the second side. And now I'm starting on the windows, so you can see what the window was like with half of it chipped out and everything. All the paint chipped off. Oh my gosh, a fox. A fox. I wonder if I can, let me see if I can pick it up. I hope it's a fox, because then you would see me tearing down the street, or I should say tearing through my gate to try to get into my house. But anyways, guys, that's where I am. So I'm starting already on the window. This is gonna take maybe 4 coats for it to get white, because that black behind the wood, it's just gonna suck up the white. If I take it closer, you'll see it's just going to suck up the white, and it's not going to allow the white to stay white. I don't know why. Maybe because the wood is so old, or because it's just old wood black and not paint black. Anyways, guys, that's where I'm at. This garage is like 3 different shades gray. But it's 100 times better than it was before. All right, let's continue, guys, and I'll keep you updated.